Namaste Abir. You can see your given time, that is the birth time you have given as 1:30 pm. SAR has adjusted your time to 1:29:20. Why he reduced to 40 seconds? We are going to see. The ruling planets, that is your current time, that is when your horoscope has been predicted is 23/4/2020 10:58 am Chennai. That in that time moon position will show your lagna. The current time moon position will show your lagna, and the current time lagna position you will show your moon, birth time moon. This is the main rule in ruling planets. So you can see the lagna position and moon position. The last two blue color indicates the sensitive points. Mars and Mercury are the sensitive. You have to fix either Mars as birth time lagna subsublad, or you can fix Mercury as lagna subsublad, birth time lagna subsublad, whichever is coming earlier. Whichever is coming earlier, you can fix. These two things are very sensitive, Mars and Mercury. Because why these are sensitive means Rasi Lord will never change in a particular day. Rasi Lord will never change, and also the Star Lord will also not change. Sublord will change for 2 hours or 3 hours. The sublord will be same. So you can these two are very sensitive. Mars and Mercury will change within 10 to 15 minutes. It will change within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. These two will change. Mars and Mercury. So whichever is changing, we have to consider that. Whichever is changing fast, we have to consider. So Mars and Mercury are the sensitive points. Similarly, if you see in the next page, that is Bhava planet, you can see the lagna, the birth time lagna position. You can see the given in red color and blue color. These two are very sensitive. Lagna sublord is Ketu and lagna subsublord is Mercury. These two are very, very sensitive. Okay, let us analyze why he has changed your time. So let me adjust your time. So adjust birth time. I am adjusting your birth time. So 1:30 is your given time. Let me put as 1:30. 1:30 00. So you can see the lagna position. Your lagna sublord is Venus. Lagna subsublord is also Venus. So your lagna is in the edge. The lagna is in the edge because Venus is just starting. Venus. Lagna sublord is also Venus. Lagna subsublord also Venus. If you reduce a bit, if you reduce few seconds, Ketu will come. So if there is an edge, that is in Tamil we call it as Sandhi, that is edge. Lagna edge, lagna star lord edge, lagna sublord edge will be there. If it is in edge, you have to first decide what is the sublord. Because if you reduce some time, some 50 seconds, 40 seconds or 1 minute, it will convert to Ketu. So you have to first decide whether the lagna sublord will be Ketu or Venus. First you have to decide, and then at the next point you have to decide the subsublord. Suppose if it is not in the edge, it is in the middle. The sublord is in middle means you need not worry about the sublord. You have to change the subsublord alone. Here it is in the edge, so we are we have to decide whether the Lagna sublord is Venus or Ketu. We have to decide first. So you can see in the ruling planet's moon position, there is no Venus is available. Moon is in the Rasi of Mars, star lord of Ketu, sublord of Saturn, subsublord of Mars, triplus lord of Mercury. So there is no Venus is available here, but the planet Ketu is available. So we have to change as Ketu. Lagna sublord, we have to change the Lagna sublord as Ketu.